Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Hello, welcome to Ganesh IAS Academy. This is the special session in which we are going to discuss about the previous year questions. Okay, previous year questions of the UPSC Prelims. Okay, in which we are going to discuss the topics from the economy. So all this session is focused on how to approach the prelims question and how to find a key within the questions and how to crack the questions by elimination strategy, or else whether find any certain keys from that question and try to answer this question. Okay, so easiest way to answer a question. Okay, that things we are going to discuss. Okay, so let's begin the session. Okay, the RBI decided to adapt an expansionist monetary policy. Which of the following would it not do? Please focus that it says that expansion is monetary policy, but what not to do? Okay, so the question is asking that if the RBI is decided to do the contraction policy, what they have to do? Okay, such a way they made a question. Okay, but please focus that there is a certain word called not. Okay, sometime in the pressure you won't find that not. Okay, you just miss it. Okay, so always be calm while trying any questions. Okay, so there will be certain words like this also you may forget to note it. Okay, this thing will happens to you. Okay, if you clearly find that word not means you can easily go for an answer and the answer will be sure correct because it is one of the easiest questions. Okay, let's go into the question. Okay, expansionary monetary policy. Okay, what not to do? Okay, so cut and optimize the statutory liquidity ratio. Okay, if the SLR is reduced means then the money supply will be increasing. Okay, so this thing have to be do. Okay, so the cut and optimize the SLR is actually true for the expansionist monetary policy. Okay, because if you are going to reduce the SLR from 18%, consider it is 18%, and the government is RBI is reducing it to 10% means then the RBI, then the bank, okay, commercial bank, earlier it has only 88% of the money to lend to the people. Now it will have the 82% of money only they have. Okay, now actually they will have 90% of the money to lend, so that will increases the money supply in the market. Okay, so that will leads to the growth in the economy. Okay, so this is called as expansionary monetary policy. Okay, so cut and optimize the SLR means it will actually increases the money supply in the market. That is called as expansionary monetary policy. Okay, but what not to do is that the question is asking. So eliminate this statement. Okay, so this thing have to be done. The first statement this is actually we have to done. Okay, so next increases the marginal standing facility ratio. Okay, marginal standing facility rate. Okay, or ratio. So MSF. Okay, so MSF. Okay, that things have to be increased means see, if you are going to increase the MSF means we are going to reduce the money supply. Okay, so we are going to reduce the money supply means what that will happen means it is a contraction monetary policy. Then that thing shouldn't be done. Okay, by that the increasing the marginal standing facility rate is actually correct. Okay, then the third statement. Okay, cut the bank rate and repo rate. See, again if you are going to reduce the bank rate and repo rate means that will actually going to increase the money supply. Okay, see, everything is actually inversely proportional. Okay, so that is the major relationship. Okay, so if you are going to cut that means that the money supply will increases. Okay, but what the thing that is not to be do this, actually the question is cut the bank rate and repo rate is how to be do. Okay, cut and optimize the SLR how to be do, but what not to do is increasing the MSF. Okay, that things you shouldn't do. Okay, so in such a scenario the answer is 2 only. Okay, so what the tricky thing about this question is actually you will definitely forget to note this not. Okay, by that way this answer itself become a wrong one. Okay, so please be calm while you are approaching a question. Okay, there will be certain statement like this also. Okay, sometimes it will be say that select the incorrect answer. Okay, such a way also that will be there. Okay, but in the rush, okay, in the pressure you won't focus it. Okay, See, because previous 10 questions you may go with the only select the correct answer, select the correct answer below. Likewise, only the statement will be there. Okay. If the 11th question is incorrect, means you shouldn't focus on that. Okay. Such a scenario, you may make a mistake also. Okay. So always be calm and be more patient while you are just solving the question. Okay. So that is the most important thing. Okay. So by the way, the answer to this question is actually B, 2 only. Okay. Thank you.